inside of your car. That's the one you ran the Yello Belly.
Yeah,
in this car right here. You don't remember that? You better go back and look at one of your old damn videos.
I don't want none.
Cause I'm gonna tell you what you said.
Hey, I'm
gonna tell you what you said on your video. You say they got some shit in there. That ain't no regular cutlass. That's what you say.
And Yello Belly. You running too. You said, nah, you running me. Come on.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't want none.
Hey, he was driving.
Nah, I don't want none. He got a ring up under there now, son.
Yeah, we got right here.
I don't want no problem. I wasn't looking that good last time.
Nah,
Say, man, we fixed that carburetor problem.
Y'all fix the carburetor?
Yeah.
Come on, I'll try him on the motor, man. I want to try the motor. And then, when you go get it from home, I want to try you in this.
This gonna sound different, man.
Man, that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing different, man.
You've been gone for a little while.
Man, ain't nothing different. I ain't even got a retune yet. I ain't got a I need a retune.
I hear the birds tweaking.
That's just how it sounds.
You said you was gonna take it to this new dude.
Yeah, but he ain't do nothing. I took it to the new dude.
Why you smiling when you
They
saying
ain't do nothing.
Why you smiling?
I left my car up there a long time, man.
You drove by all that shit. We used to come out even hear this motherfucker.
Yeah.
You still can't hear it. Look. You can't hear it?
Say, but you got a supercharge on here though.
Yeah.
Okay, so Nitrous the supercharge.
No, more than a supercharger. I got 4,000 pounds.
Shit, my regular is like 36.
No, I'm 45, man.
Show me where it's 45.
I gotta go get on the weight scale. If it's open,
you know, ought to be in this door right here.
It probably say 44 on the door. I done added some shit. That supercharger heavy. I got a supercharger, intercooler, all these water lines.
Listen to all that shit that's gonna make up all that, man.
No.
My Regal weigh 36.
No, man.
I bet you the car run a fucking 6.
No, hell no. Hey, no, hell no. Hey, no 6. Bitch ain't doing that. We gotta do something on the motor, man.
I bet you this motherfucker run a 6.
It ain't doing that.
I bet you.
Man, it ain't doing all that, man. I just got here.
Hey, let's lock in the bell. You let
Come
me
on.
see
All
your
right, let's
you
go.
let me ride with you. We
Come on, let's go ride. Come on, let's go ride. I'm gonna let you drive.
No, I don't want to drive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ride with you.
All right, tell them, come on with it. Let's go.
Get in line, man.
I'm finna get in line now.
I'll be up there.
Come on, man.
Right.
Don't be taking all day. Okay. Oh, there go these G8s. There go shit is this. Okay, maybe that's what they was all talking about. Dang, man. Man, I want to know what it'll run though, man. That mother was doing alright, and then it didn't even do nothing, man. Oh, hold on, there go. I'm finna get out, y'all. To let y'all see what's going on out here. I'll make another pass later on. Oh, I forgot. Oh, y'all like my windshield? I've been having it for it came with the car. Get the. Right now I'm getting the gimbal ready. Oh, let me get this gimbal ready, y'all. Oh, I should have left it on there while I was getting the gimbal ready. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. Dang. I think it's a shootout about to happen. Put that in my pocket. Take the seatbelt off. Put this in my... Hey, AD, ain't nothing happened yet? AD? Anything happened yet? Okay, not yet, y'all. We still in the building. Let me see. So then I need my battery charge. Got to get my hefty battery charge. Oh, I got a big battery charge. Look. Got it like that, boy. Let me see. Damn, we got 94 on this month. Yeah, man. I sure appreciate y'all coming in, man. Somebody share it or something. Tell your friend. Dang, where my good long chart. Here we go, y'all. I'm almost ready. Uh-oh. Sound like they almost ready too. Yeah.
Dude, it ran a good pass. It looked
You
quick.
think so?
Yeah, man. Is it just a 6.0, 6.2?
Yeah, yeah.
Just factory?
Yeah.
No
Everything in fact, I ain't got no Fords, pistons, nothing.
Dude, it looked like it moved out pretty
Yeah.
damn good. I was
Man.
very surprised.
Man, I've been working on it for a minute, man.
Yeah.
Trying to get it right. I guess it's halfway there then.
Yeah, I've seen these old Caprices and I was very curious. Is it a 6.0?
Alright, y'all, we in here. Look out, look out.
What'd you end
You
up
almost-
running? Like
Man,
720?
Yeah, I can't tell everybody the time. I got a whole bunch of people live, and I be trying to race people. I'm gonna sneak somebody, man. That was one of his best passes, though. I was happy. I'm on Twitch right now. I'm gonna be on YouTube later, man.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah, I got both of the. You on Twitch or YouTube? Yeah. Boom. Name on there, Lookout Racing. You can check it out. Yeah, but I got the old Caprice doing this thing, man.
Man, I like the car.
You do, man?
Yeah, I do.
I'm starting to like it again now. Y'all liking it? Y'all got me liking it again. I might have to do something, man.
Yeah, maybe wrap the rest of it white or the rest of it blue, you know?
Man, I don't know what. Man, I got a partner. He said he'll rap it and he want to do something and charge me a whole bunch of money, man. I would go back in one color and have it all one color. You think that's rap that's on there?
No, that's painted.
Oh, okay.